Dhenu Ayog to upscale sustainable genetic upgradation of cow resources and to enhance production and productivity of cows. The Ayog will also look after effective implementation of laws and welfare schemes for cows. गौ माता के सम्मान में और गौ माता के लिए इस सरकार कभी पीछे नहीं हटेगी, जो जरूरत पड़ेगी उसको प्रावधान करेगी. India is the second largest fish producing nation in the world, accounting for 6.3% of global production, registering an average annual growth of more than 7% in recent years. The sector provides livelihood to about 1.45 crore people at the primary level. To provide sustained and focused attention towards development of this sector, our government has decided to create a separate department of fisheries. In the last budget, our government announced the facility of extension of Kisan Credit Card Scheme to animal husbandry and fishery farmers. Now, I propose to provide the benefit of 2% interest subvention to the farmers pursuing the activities of animal husbandry and fisheries. 2% ब्याज की छूट इस क्षेत्र को भी दी जाती है, who avail loan through Kisan Credit Card. Further, in case of timely repayment of loan, they will also get an additional 3% interest subvention. एक प्रकार से इनको किसानों के साथ सम्मान के साथ एक ही दर्जा दिया जा रहा है. To ensure provision of easy and concessional credit and to bring all farmers under the Kisan Credit Card fold, our government has decided to initiate a comprehensive drive with a simplified application form. When natural calamities strike, farmers are generally unable to repay their crop loans. Presently, the crop loans are rescheduled for such affected farmers and they get the benefit of interest subvention of 2% only for the first year of rescheduled loans. Our government has now decided that all farmers affected by severe natural calamities where assistance is provided from the National Disaster Relief Fund will be provided the benefit of interest subvention of 2% and prompt 3% for the entire period of reschedulement of the loan. एक वर्ष के बदले पूरा जो समय reschedulement का है, पूरे समय उनको 2% और समय पे नए समय पे वापस देने पे 3% और यानी 5% ब्याज में उनको छूट मिलेगी.